So we really welcome the removal of gradings from the esteem report. If you are a parent or a pupil or a teacher, you look at those grades first, and often you would never even read the report. So there's all these lovely things that are being told about your school and lovely things that about the school need to improve that no one's going to actually see, and you need to be able to see them first. So the removal of the grades means that people have a conversation about the important things that are going on in your school, not about the grading. The approach has changed. The head teacher being the designate, that made a big difference for me, being in the room, because when you're in the room, you then get the chance to be able to have conversations all the time about the inspection. You sat around with everyone else, having all the discussions you have. That meant that any time someone said, here's something we need to try and improve, I could hear the reason why they've said it, I could hear all the evidence they had for it, and then I could be listened to if I said, oh, maybe there's another way of looking at it. And that felt more like a team approach as opposed to, this is what we found and this is what we think of your school. The esteem inspection is a really positive opportunity to show off what you do and to get some feedback on how you can improve. You know, when you had a conversation with an esteem inspector, it was a conversation. It wasn't someone just saying, this is what you're good at, this is what you're not good at. It very much was, you know, how did you find that lesson went? Let's have a discussion about it and let's see what we can do to try and improve. So for me, the esteem inspection, you're going to be really nervous about. There's no two ways about it, because 10 days before, you're going to find out from your school that you're going to be inspected and you don't know what's coming. So of course, you're going to feel nerves. But what you've got to remember is, all esteem want to see and all your school want to see is what you do day to day, every single day. And in the end, that's going to make the process much better for you, because pupils know what you do every day. And you trying to put in something that isn't like that will be really challenging for you.